here is how you can give the Onedrive app access to the device storage on your Android. So let's get started. Let me explain how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So assuming you have the Onedrive app downloaded already, we can head over to the settings app of the device, and when you scroll through the available things, just find the security and privacy. And from this place, I want you to look up the permissions and the permissions manager. So when you click on this, it's going to basically track all of the apps and all of the things which can access some functions like the camera and location and so on. But if you scroll through the available things and available menus, the stuff which can be controlled or accessed, you can tap on the photos and videos at first and make sure that the OneDrive can access it, right? So you will be able to find it in here, and you can make sure that OneDrive is allowed to access photos and videos. So that's going to be useful if you want to upload stuff or perhaps even sync everything. So that's something that you need to do as well. Then you can as well click on the additional permissions at the bottom, and you can find files and media. And you should also be able to see the OneDrive in here. If it ever asked for that access, you should be able to find it in here and click on allow, and that is going to give you the ability to access it as well. But most importantly, you can find it inside of in here. You could also approach it the other way around, where you would find the apps menu on your device, scroll through the available apps until you find the OneDrive and manage all of the stuff in here. So you can see the permissions which it accessed, or the stuff which you can enable, and that's how you can manage it. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. That's just basically how you can give it access to the device storage. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.